Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to talk about the amazing health benefits of milk thistle according to science. Milk thistle is an herbal supplement that has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments. But did you know that it also has some amazing health benefits that have been backed up by scientific studies? In this video, I will be discussing what science has to say about the health benefits of milk thistle and how you can use it to improve your health. So let's get started. But before seeing the list of health benefits, kindly subscribe to our channel to get more information about foods and drinks that keep our body and mind healthy. Now, let's dive into the topic. Milk thistle contains a combination of plant substances known as silymarin, while its extracted herbal form is known as milk thistle extract. This extract contains a high concentration of silymarin, from 65 to 80%, derived from the plant. One of its primary advantages is its capacity to protect the liver, thus making it a popular choice among oral anabolic steroid users. Traditionally, it has been used to address liver and gallbladder problems, increase breast milk production, protect against cancer, and guard the liver from snake venom, alcohol, and other toxins. We have compiled all of its proven benefits based on scientific evidence. 1. Protects the liver. It is commonly utilized as an additional treatment by individuals who have experienced liver damage caused by illnesses such as alcoholic liver disease, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, hepatitis, and even liver cancer. Research has indicated that individuals who suffer from liver issues and have taken milk thistle supplements have experienced improved liver functioning. This could mean that milk thistle can help to decrease liver inflammation and harm. Although more research is required to understand how it works, milk thistle is believed to reduce liver injury caused by free radicals, which are created when the liver breaks down poisonous materials. 2. Neuroprotective effect. Research has shown that milk thistle has been used as a medicinal remedy for neurological conditions such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease for a period of over 2,000 years. Milk thistle's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities may provide neuroprotection, potentially preventing the decrease in brain function associated with aging. Studies have also indicated that milk thistle can decrease the amount of amyloid plaques in the brains of animals with Alzheimer's disease. 3. Prevention of bone diseases. Osteoporosis is a disease in which bones gradually become more fragile and weak, leading to them breaking much more easily, even with minor impacts. This process normally takes place over a period of several years. Experiments and animal tests have indicated that milk thistle may help to increase bone mineralization and protect against bone loss. However, due to the lack of human studies, its effectiveness is uncertain. 4. May help in cancer treatment. It has been proposed that silymarin's antioxidant properties may have some anti-cancer effects, which could be beneficial for those who are receiving cancer treatment. Research in animal studies has indicated that silymarin may amplify the effects of chemotherapy against certain cancers and in some scenarios, even eradicate cancer cells. Nonetheless, further research is required to identify how silymarin can be used to help those going through cancer treatment. 5. Helps treat acne. Acne is an ongoing inflammatory skin condition that is not life-threatening but can lead to scarring. It can be painful and can cause people to be concerned about their physical appearance. Milk thistle has been identified as a potential supplement for those with acne due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. A study even found that those with acne who took 210 grams of silymarin daily for 8 weeks saw a dramatic 53% decrease in acne lesions. 6. Control diabetes. It is possible that milk thistle may be beneficial as a supplementary treatment for type 2 diabetes. Studies have discovered that one of the elements in milk thistle can act similarly to some diabetes medications by aiding to enhance insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar. Additionally, the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory qualities of milk thistle may also be useful in decreasing the possibility of having diabetic issues like kidney disease. As you can see, there are many amazing health benefits of milk thistle according to science. It is a powerful plant that can help improve your overall health and well-being. So, if you're looking for a natural way to improve your health, consider adding milk thistle to your diet. I hope this video was informative and helpful. If yes, kindly comment yes in comment box that motivates us to produce more videos like this. Thanks for watching.